Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are thinking to learn C programming, then this video will be definitely helpful for you. So stay tuned and start your programming journey. So before learning anything in programming, you should know what is programming. Programming is the set of instructions or sequence of instructions that tells computer how to perform tasks. It is a combination of input, output and processing. Like if you want to add two numbers, then what you will do, you will give two numbers as input to the computer, then computer will do some computation work, then you will get addition of that two number. So in day-to-day life we use different languages to communicate with each other. Then why we need to learn programming languages? Because computer only knows binary language that consists zeros and one, and it is very hard to write and learn program in binary language. That's why we use programming languages. So there are many high level and low level programming languages like C, C++, Java and Python. Even computer doesn't know whatever code you have written in C language or in Java language. So like let's take a real life example. Like if you don't know French, what you will do, you try to translate that language into your language. In this situation we use like let's take a C. We use like C, whatever code you have written in C language, it will be our source code, and we have to convert that code into machine code. So we use compiler to translate that code. According to the language, we use compiler, assembler and interpreter to convert that source code into machine code. So we will see the what are the low and high level languages and what is compiler, assembler and interpreter in different video. So in this series we will learn about the C programming language. C is developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It was designed and written by the man named Dennis Ritchie, and it is called the mother of programming languages. C is widely used and popular programming languages because it is reliable, simple and easy to use. Major parts of operating systems like Windows, Unix, Linux, Android written in C, and execution speed of the C is better than other languages. C is a procedure oriented programming language because C follows procedure steps written in it called functions, and it follows top down approach. We will see this like what are the functions and how C follows top down approach when we start learning programs. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See ya in next video. Till then, take care and study hard.